Hello everybody and welcome to another video inside of Double O Wolf's Funland. Today in this video I'm going to be joined by Robert and Sammy again. I didn't exactly do a lot I didn't exactly do a lot in between episodes. But I did like put in the doors and I did make part of the railroad track and I also did the floor. So yeah, this is what it looks like so far, and there's a floating bed because I went to sleep in here. And so yeah, I've just been doing the minecart tracks now. So yeah, I'm just gonna put those there. Okay, here we go. And now all I need to do is put a minecart in here, here, and here. And then you see when I press the button, it goes off. Wait, so wait. Oops, I bounced it back. But, oops, man. First, I bounce back the minecart, and then I destroy the button. But, so yeah. I'm not exactly done with it, though. So, it's not exactly gonna work just yet, but I'm like putting in well, I've put in all of the torches, so now I'm like patching up the ground and putting the power rails on them. So, oh, my power rail went away. Okay, I put one there and one there, I believe. Okay, so yeah. It's just gonna be very simple. There's not really gonna be much going on. But except for me like placing down railroad tracks, which I'm sure is gonna be kind of boring. But so yeah, it's just me doing this. I think actually I'm gonna ask my dad to like cut this part until, well, actually, well, I don't exactly know what I should do right now. Because, like, I don't want to keep you guys bored, but at the same time, I don't know how to do that speed up thing. And also, I don't know when it's going to be, like, exactly, well, just about 20 minutes if I do the speed up, so yeah. I don't know what I should do. Well, I only have to make, I think I'm already just going to do like these railroad tracks here. And I've only done until there, but yeah, out of the episode, I think I'm going to make it like go off somewhere into there. And then I'm going to have to clear out like a ton of the trees. And then there's going to be like a huge sign saying Funland. And then you're going to go under the sign, and then you're going to come out into the Funland, and there's going to be like huge buildings with mini games and stuff like that. So yeah, that's what the original plan is, and it's becoming a night already. Ay. I start out these videos way too late during the time of day. I really do. Though I guess I'm just going to go back in my floating bed. Come on, let me go to sleep. Let me go to sleep. Oh wait, I can just do this. / time set. What? / set. Time set red value. Wait, what? I don't get that. Wait, is LAN turned on? Wait, I just need to check something. Oh. That's why it wasn't working. Okay. So anyways, now I can just reset the day. So yeah, that should be good now. And now, where was I? Oh yeah, here. Okay, so. Lost my rail track again. So yeah, hold on to your seats. I'm just gonna finish doing these few. Oh, it's almost done. It's almost done. Just need to go here, go down, wait, go down, one here, and then two here. And then I just need to do this last one. Oh wait, nope. It's supposed to be here. And then, what the? I keep losing my power rails. Okay, there. And now all I have to do is put in the regular rails, which shouldn't take long at all. So yeah, it's done with 3 gap in between, just so that you know. I thought that would be good amount of spacing, and also when you like put it on the ledge, it just moves perfectly with it just moves perfectly with it. So what I'm gonna have to do here, put that there. So yeah, it's not gonna have a power rail there. So what I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna move this to I'm gonna move this to here, and then I'm gonna put wood on top of that. Then put the power rail then put the power rail here. So yeah, there we go. Now it's all good. And then here's another one at the edge, so yeah. And then here's another one at the edge. That one's not at the edge, so yeah. Okay, I think this is gonna go quite well, to tell you the truth. Nope. Yep. That won't seem to work, will it? Well, let's see how it goes. It works! It actually does work. What the? Oh, edge. That's actually quite good. Works quite well. So yeah, I'm just gonna plonk that down there again. Oops. Okay, now we're just gonna see if this is gonna work. Haha! Okay, I think I'm gonna put one here. Yeah, this just needs to be there. Then that there. And then power rail there. So yeah, I'm just gonna give this a quick nudge. Okay, it's going. Yeah, worked perfectly. Okay, so then that's gonna be good. And now out of video, I'm just gonna make like a boundary there and keep it going. So yeah, that's basically what the train station's gonna be. Now, I just need to do it with this one. There we go, that works. Works swimmingly. Yeah, there we go. Okay. So yeah, every track seems to work. So yeah, so that's basically that finished. Now I would do some redstone things so that there's like one block here, and then when you go like here or something, it opens up. But I have no idea how I should do that. They probably did make it in Minecraft, but I have no idea how to do that. So yeah, I'm just gonna get rid of all of this stuff. And then, so yeah. And then also out of the episode, I'm gonna put like way. Actually, I think I'm just gonna place down some chests, and out of episode, I'm gonna fill them up with minecarts. So yeah, that is gonna be very good. Okay, it's 2x2. It's absolutely perfect. Okay, now let me just make the chests here. Okay, and then, well, not exactly. Okay, so this will be the minecart wall, and then all of those chests will have minecarts in them. So yeah, that's what I wanted to show you guys in today's episode. Now we haven't run out of time yet, so I am actually quite hungry, but I can't pay attention to that now. So I don't exactly know what I should do, because like the train station's pretty much almost done. I just need to make it going to the fun land, but I'm going to do that out of video because I know it's going to be really boring if you see me doing it in video. So yeah, all of that stuff's going to be out of it. Anywho, I'm very glad and surprised that actually worked. I'm very. So yeah, anywho, if I had any, well, actually, I think I might start working a little bit more on my house. Giselle, you're not going to get out. First of all, you're too big. Second of all, the door is too small. Okay. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to make like a little place for us to sit, for me to sit with other people and just chillax here. So I now need sandstone, would be very, very nice. Okay, then do one like that, one like that. Okay, and then all I have to do is put this here like that. Okay, and now I just do the same on this side. Okay, there we go. And now all I need to do is put rails here. There we go. And now all I need to do is put a minecart. See? And then it's as if you're at the table eating. So what I could do is I could do this. I could put like some cakes on top of here. See? Cake. So yeah, there we go. So that's the little dining tables. And I also need to make like a little living room thing. So I think I'm going to make like the couch somewhere here and then the TV right here. So I could do it as if it was like this. There you go. You can have like a little 2-block movie. Now the way you make a television is by doing that, and then you need something that's like that. And then, well, the way I make, the way I make couches is like this. So you have 2 blocks. Well, let's put one more forward. That's a bit too close to the TV though. So yeah, I think I'm gonna do like that. And then you have some stairs. We're gonna use that corner trick. So you see we're gonna do that. And then we're gonna do that. And that. And then what you do is you do this. Then you just put the minecarts there. And now you have a perfectly functional couch. See? You can look at the TV. Sorry, Margaret, I'm blocking your way of getting. Come on. Come on. Move along. Come on, stroll. There you go. And so, yeah. There we go. So we've got that now. Yeah, I will expand my house. I promise you I will do that. I think I should actually put like something. Oops. I think I actually should put something in like this kind of area, but I don't know what I should put. I mean, like I have my iron golems and stuff like that, but I don't know what else I should put. Got my storage room and everything else. Um, so yeah, we still have a little bit of time left. I think about 5 more minutes. So let's see. There's not exactly much else to do, is there? I mean, I think I am gonna put a painting right here. Definitely gonna do that. That'll be nice, because I don't have that one in my house anymore. Okay, now let's go over here and go to sleep. Wait. Oh, I know what I should do. Every time I go to sleep, right before I do that, I should do like a as for a yawn, and then when I'm in sleep, I should do this. So yeah, I think I'm actually gonna put like I have a wonderful idea. So I'm gonna take out some oak and birch leaves. Okay, there we go. Okay, so, oh, sorry, sorry, I wasn't paying attention, but I was thinking of like putting some oak leaves, then some birch leaves to fill it in. Then it'll just look a lot more gardeny-ish, like a garden of peace and friendship. So yeah, I'm just gonna do that, so put that there. Just kind of randomly scatter them actually. Then just do that. Oops. Broke one of my beautiful tree stumps. Okay, so I'm just gonna replace that. And then, soon I think I'll actually be out of time. Wait, let me just check. Wait 1 second. Okay, so we have about 2 more minutes. I think I'm just gonna like do this, and then this, and that, and this, like that. Oops. But yeah, so then this is gonna be the garden. So wait, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Oh, I can actually make it go one up. 3. There's a cow breakdancing. Come on, peace cow. No peace and friendship, cow. You're supposed to be doing your job. You're just standing there doing nothing in the middle of the room. Well, I guess actually standing there doing nothing is his job. Oh yeah, I recruited him for that. Yay. Anywho. So yeah, we have a little bit of time left. I think I'll be able to put down these last oak leaves. Like that. Okay, and now gonna do is to just fill it up with birch. Fill up the rest with birch. Okay. So then do it like that, and then it'll look very, very naturistic and very, very relaxing and one with nature. So yeah, I think that this video has been quite productive. I hope you guys watched this and didn't think this one was too boring either. But we have just about run out of time in this video, so I would like to, so yeah, I hope you guys all have a very good day, and again that you enjoyed these videos. So this is the end of the video, and I would like to say have a good day again, and bye.